Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Microsoft PC Manager in your computer in a very simple way. Microsoft PC Manager is Microsoft's official tool for RAM boost, storage cleanup, and startup management. For that, what you have to do, you have to open the Microsoft Store and then you have to search here Microsoft PC Manager. So you can simply type here PC Manager. You're going to get the PC Manager over here. And then here, if you just simply click on install, there will be a permission, click yes. And after completing the download and installation, you're going to get the open option. If you click on open and simply minimize the Microsoft Store, and here it is your Microsoft PC Manager. So if you click on get started, and here is your Microsoft PC Manager over here. So if you want to know a dedicated video, how you can simply use it, how it's going to help you, then you can simply comment below. I'm going to make another video about a dedicated video about Microsoft PC Manager. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.